welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, we are going to do the Body Shop review. I was contacted by a lovely girl over on Instagram. I'll leave all her Instagram details down below, and she asked if I would be interested in reviewing some of the products from the Body Shop. Now, I remember Body Shop from when I was a young girl. We couldn't wait to go and buy all the little smells, and I think it was the lip balms, and then you had the matching bath scrubs and stuff like that. So it is a very childhood memory of going to Body Shop, and my sister, we were obsessed with all the coconut range even back then. So I thought I would get a few things from the range and then just do a review on them. So I'll let you know what I think. I'm going to give an honest review because I think it's so important that I do that, because if I start saying, oh yeah, these products are amazing, and then you guys go and check it out and then they're not, or they're not amazing, at the end of the day, it's my opinion of how I am going with the product. It's nothing against Body Shop. I absolutely love Body Shop. I've just ordered the advent calendar so you guys, for me to share it with you guys on here anyway, so keep an eye out for that. But yeah, so let's get into the video already. If you haven't already, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you already haven't. So let's get into the video. Okay, so what I ordered from the lovely Jodie was a range of different things. So you all know that I've been having issues with my scalp, with my hair and everything like that. So I thought I'd give the scalp care shampoo and conditioner a try. Now it's with ginger and it's for dry scalp and weak hair. Now I haven't got weak hair, but I've got a really bad flaky scalp, so I thought, and then the shampoo's for flaky scalp, so I thought I'd give it a go and see what happens. They did nothing for me. They literally made my hair really greasy like the next day. It looked like I just washed my hair with fairy liquid. It was terrible. They smell really nice. They smell really nice, but they didn't do anything. So these are going to my mom because she's good with ginger. But I actually don't think it might be the shampoo. I think it could be the fact that it's ginger. Ginger doesn't do anything for my scalp, so that is unfortunately a no-go. And I used it twice. I thought, okay, maybe it's getting used to it. It didn't. I just ended up washing my hair more and more during the week, whereas I'm so used to only washing it once a week, but because of my flaky scalp, I've had to be doing it more than once a week. But this, if I was using it, I'd probably have to wash it every single day, so it didn't do anything for my hair, which I'm gutted about. But I'm sorry, not every product, I suppose, is going to, it's going to suit me. So if it might suit your scalp, but it didn't suit mine, and I think that's because of the ginger. The consistency, the way it did, the smell of it was lovely, but everything else just wasn't. It was a no-go for my hair. Next up, I went for the Body Shop British Rose Exfoliating Gel Scrub. Now I tried this a few times. It smells gorgeous, obviously of rose, but the scrub is quite bitty, like really small pieces of scrub, and it just, when I was washing my body, I scrubbed it, and then it felt like once I washed it, I had to wash it again because it wasn't coming off as quick as it normally should. So yeah, I didn't really get on really well with this. So it's half full. Whether I reach out to it, I mean, I love the smell of it, it's really nice, but it's more sugary grains of it. I just found it really annoying, and as if it was like not doing anything for my skin. But the smell of it is absolutely gorgeous because I love anything with rose. Next up, I went for the British Rose Body Yogurt. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely gorgeous. Like literally, it's gone. I absolutely love this, and I'm going to be reordering this because I loved it so much. My skin felt really soft and smooth. I applied it on damp skin, and it, you left it so soft, and it smelled amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. So the Body Yogurt, definitely, I really recommend. Okay, so then I got a few other things. So this is the Vitamin C Body Shop Glow Protect Lotion. To be honest with you, I haven't really used it. It's an SPF. It smells really nice. So just very orangey and citrusy, isn't it? So it's a nice feel on the skin, but I haven't really used it, so I wouldn't know to review it properly because I completely forgot that I had it. But the smell of it's lovely. It's really nice and refreshing. It's got vitamin C, and it's from the Amazonian rainforest, Peru. Dull-tide grumpy skin. So this is definitely what I would use, and I love the fact that it's got SPF 30 in it. So I'm gonna give it a try and see. But to be honest, I've just put it on my skin and it feels really nice and soft, and there is like a lovely glow to it as well. Okay, now then this came with it. I'm not sure if it came free, but it's a soap for I'm not sure if it's for skin. Oh, so it's a let's start again. It is a face soap, but I'm not really keen on the smell, so it was like literally putting me off. It's moringa, and it's got a very, very strong smell with seed oil, so you can smell the oil. Just, I don't know whether I want to put it on my face. I was a bit scared because the last soap oil I put on, it was brilliant, and that was from the Corez range. But I'm gonna give it a try and see. But the only thing that puts me off is the smell. It just reminds me of like my grandparents' era. So yeah, that's that. And then the other thing that I got was the Youth Concentrate Sheet Mask, and I'm actually going to put this on tonight and give it a try. It's an instant hydration after 15 minutes, fresher, bouncier, healthier look. So this is going up tonight on my YouTube channel, so check out my stories tonight and I will be wearing this and I will let you know what I think of that. But all in all, out of the products that I did receive, this was probably my favourite. There's like nothing left in the pot. It was absolutely gorgeous, but it hasn't put me off Body Shop. I am, you know, open to checking out any more product, and I have, like I said, I've ordered the advent calendar, so I can come on to here and share with you guys what you think of the advent calendar, and will it be something that you are gonna get this Christmas. So it's going to be a little bit of a teaser and sneak peeks, and if you don't like spoilage, then don't watch it. But anyway, that is it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a comment down below. What is your favourite product from Body Shop? What do you recommend I try out next? With the shampoos, I have found the perfect shampoo for my hair now, so I won't be using any more hair products from Body Shop, but I am open to trying out any other product. So yeah, thank you so much guys for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye.